Morning, everybody. Haven't done a live stream in a hot minute, but I gotta go to the dentist later on today, so I figured we'd do one today so I can avoid doing the video edit. Let me quickly look and make sure that everything looks good on the stream. Looks good. All right, so it's Friday. We're going into a holiday weekend, so not overly optimistic about today. The week started pretty well, but has really faded off the last 2 days as far as opportunities that I like to see. But hopefully find some interesting trades today. It's definitely a couple things moving in pre-market. MRVL, Marvel Technologies, I'm assuming that they are on earnings. They had a big pump yesterday in post-market. ELEV is probably the one that everybody's going to be watching today. It's up 86% today. Actually didn't even look at what the news is there. Let me take a look real quick. Looks like they had earnings. Anything else? Looks like mostly earnings there. Probably some kind of news along with that. Looks like mostly earnings, though, based on the quick, immediate check there. But this one's going to be a maybe for me. It's already halfway rotated with over 11 million in volume. It's got about a 22 million float on it, so it's kind of an eh. MRVL is also making a huge move, but also on earnings, so we'll see. But that one's up huge today, up 19%, so it's up almost 10 points here. Almost up 10 points here on MRVL, so we'll see what these do. They are earnings type plays, otherwise going to be looking at the scanner as we go along. So whether you're watching this live with me or you're checking this out later on, appreciate you guys stopping in and checking it out. Hopefully make some trades today, at least a trade, hopefully. And hopefully make some money. May is going pretty well so far, so definitely don't want to do anything to screw that up. But you never know. So we got less than a minute to go here, really probably less than 30 seconds before market opens. And here we go. That was way less than 30 seconds. Market is open. Let's see what pops here to start the day. MRVL is making that big move here. But it is on earnings, so it's a little scurry. Maybe if it hits 60, could give it a stab. What else is going? See if Marvel gets up through 60 here. It's trying to get there. There comes 60. Is it going to get through? All right, I'm going to go ahead and get started here. I'm in at 60.31. We'll see what it does. Probably up through 61 for the ad. Is earnings, which makes it a little bit not as good, but still a big move here. So we'll see what it does. Through 61 is the ad. See what it wants to do. See if we can get back down below 60. Maybe a chance there, but we'll see. Didn't want to get screwed there on spreadiness. All right, here comes 61. See if we can get up through 61. All right, adding in there. Now I have 200 at 60.65. 62 would be the final ad. Should have probably taken some there on that 60 flush, but is what it is. See if we can get down below 60.50 here. Okay, taking half off right there. Would love to get the other 100 under 60. Actually, maybe even half under 60. And try and let the other half go. See if we can get under 60 here for another 50 shares. Love to see a 60 break. Currently holding up off the VWAP. Well, popped off of... Oh, here we go. Can it come down under 60? Come on, give me a big flush here under 60. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Under 60, baby. Under 60 for me. Get under. Come on. Did I just take half here? Give it a second. Oh, the 60 flush might be coming there. Is it going to be here? Come on, get under 60, baby. Under 60, under 60, under 60. It's not doing it yet. I'm going to take half there just to lock in a little bit more. Okay, here comes a bigger flush. Apparently, I could have waited another 5 seconds and gotten what I wanted there. Looking to take another half off here soon. We get under maybe 58. Well, popping back up a little bit. Maybe 59.80 for another 25 of the shares if we can get there. Although, probably put a stop in sometime here soon for these remaining shares. Especially if 60 holds up here. Let's just put a stop in and make sure that I am green on the remaining shares. So if it comes up through 60.50, it'll just stop me out. Was hoping for a bigger flush there once it broke 60. So if it comes up through 60.50 here, I'll just stop out on the rest. All right, stopped out on the rest, but made a little bit of money there to start the day. See what else we got going. GCT. Tesla making a nice move this morning. What did ELEV do? Ooh, got crushed. That would have been nice. Market making a move to the upside here. GCT, not much volume. Ooh, and the daily there is horrible. Probably not going to touch that one. Laser moving a little bit. Probably need more out of this one. Snow making a little push here. Probably need 150 for a start. Yeah, especially looking at the daily. Daily is terrible. Laser just slow. Had a ton of volume in that first candle. It's okay volume the last couple, but not really what I'm looking for. Gern, Gern. Range is pretty sucky. Some things I'm looking at here just have like 100K volume on the day, and that's just not going to do. What's AI doing? I'm actually considering taking a couple YOLO call contracts. I think they have earnings next week on AI, just in case it makes a NVIDIA type move. But if I do that, I'll probably look at those later on today. A lot of things making some pops here, but on very light volume. And those are tough to play. What's PDD doing? I saw PDD made a huge move in pre-market today. Look at that move in PDD from 61 up to 70 almost. I haven't really looked at PDD in quite some time. It's not been doing what it normally does, at least the types of moves it normally makes. What's NVIDIA doing today, actually? Down just slightly, so not really doing anything today so far. Market making new highs, pushing higher into the holiday weekend. Don't know if there's any been debt ceiling talk or anything going on. Haven't really looked at anything this morning. Nice move in the market, actually. Really nice move. Look at it go. Look at it go. HCDI, no. Actually, the market's kind of like the most extended thing right now, especially the SPY. Oh, is MRVL going to come back down and make the break? We'll see. At least got a trade in here on Friday. I was worried that today was going to be more like the last 2 days, which were just brutal. BMR, what's you doing today? Oh, you crashed all the way down from 8. So you're probably going all the way back down to 2 in the relatively near future. UPST moving a little bit. Do we have shares there? Yes. We have 400,000 here in UPST, but would need a much bigger move than that. Just now breaking up through the highs. DC, let me check DCT because that's actually a decent move right there. DCT only 13K to borrow. Oh, and this is the one with the horrible daily, so I'm just going to mute that one. What's up, John? Addedly, hello. Hello. Hope you guys are doing good. In case you missed the earlier trade, that's it on MRVL. Yeah, I got to go to the dentist this morning, so I figured rather than rush myself and try and get a video edited, I'd just go live today. MVLA moving 10-15 cent range. Daily chart not that appealing. I wish GCT had more shares available, but only 10K now. A lot of things with like 100K volume right now. ELEV probably a miss out of the open there. I probably would have been looking for through 6 though anyway, so guess I'll take what I got in MRVL and be happy. Especially considering it's just kind of going sideways now. Actually probably setting up for a nice break through the highs if it can hold up here. CLPS, thank you. Snow, have you done anything? Pulled back, didn't make the move I wanted. Macy's, straight up, but What was the big one yesterday that was moving? Or the other day? I think ENVB was one. It's got nothing happening. Snow, what would I need now? Definitely through 150. It would be small size. The daily chart's pretty crap. Well, there is MRVL pushing the highs. Actually looking like it's going to break through. ANET. Volume's a bit light for that price of stop. QH. Whoa, what happened to that thing recently? All the way up to 550 and all the way back down to 160. Talk about your pump and dumps. Coin. I'm kind of watching coin all the time on my other screen here. It's playing around within the range, but it is making a nice little dumpy dump right here. I would probably need like 56 though for a potential long. Really to be interested in it. Lows of yesterday were just below 56, so maybe a little bit above that. It's like MRVL going through the highs now. There it goes. Would need much more of an extension from here though, as it just broke out from 61.50, so that's really only a 50-cent move to a new high. Probably need at least through 63 and very quickly to be interested in MRVL again. So let's see if there's anything on the daily chart. Oh, is this all-time highs on MRVL? Well, maybe not all-time highs, but certainly within the last year or so. Thanks, buddy. Just went to the gym this morning. Did shoulders and biceps. Shoulders are absolutely smoked right now because this was peak week. Peak week kicks my ass. So I was PRing reps. I don't do PRing weight too much, but I PR reps is kind of what my goal is. So I was hitting some PRs on some shoulder workouts today. I don't think I hit it. Well, I did hit a PR on a bicep, the machine curl thing, whatever that's called. MU certainly a big move here, but very slowish. How have you been, Adderley? How's your trading been? Haven't talked to you in a while. All good. Most people don't. It's not like it was back in the day. Maybe once I start sizing up here, indie future, we'll get some momentum again. My whiskey channel's actually doing pretty well though. That thing's crushing GDT with way less subscribers, but it's very new, so that's fun. Snow, what I need from you. Halfway through 151 at this point. Azul up, says B. ALAR, hard to borrow. Go ahead and mute that one. CUS. Oh, okay. I was very confused by that chart for a second. Pretty crappy chart overall. I think everybody, really, it seems like everybody's moved on to the new prop firm thing with all the futures. It seems to be where all the attention is these days, because it's where people can get in and trade for very little money. This place has got to be just raking in money. Just, oh my gosh. Just raking in money, those guys are. We've got better volume right now in the market than I would say I thought we would. I was a little worried, especially going into getting close to summer here. So we'll see what the summer slowdown is like this year. Hopefully not too bad. But, I mean, overall, it's been a very low year. But the last month or so, I would say, has been better. far as market volume goes and things making moves. On track for my best month so far this year in May, as long as I don't screw it up. Still that possibility. Dollar Tree bouncing a little bit here and a huge down move from probably earnings the other day. On Q, this one's been a recent big mover, but nothing happening there of interest for me. Not even 10 o'clock yet. Okay. Still got time. Probably go till like 10:45 today or so. Just got to think about how long it's going to take me to get to the dentist office. Probably 10:45 is okay. Oh, GCT, I wish you had shares. Only 7,000 available right now. Daily still sucks, but it's a nice move. And the earlier move worked out well. AI also no shares available today. That one's like every other day. Available, not available. Available, not available. The LTR. Little bit of a move. Range is kind of crappy. MRVL going again. Would still need much higher now after it made that move in the pullback, and now it's just at the highs of the day. So not considering anything there currently. SMCI, pretty big move. Very spready. But would I even want to mess with like 10 shares if it got through 220? Not sure. Not sure. Certainly a nice move chart-wise. Maybe you could just play with 10 shares if it gets through 220, but let's see what it does. Well, pulling back though. So maybe we'll miss it. Check in with Monkey, see how he's doing today. Watching WLDS. That thing was moving yesterday a bunch, I think. Alrighty. LUMN. Not too interesting. Path. That one's been moving a bunch recently. Maybe if it hit 1550. Hang up on a stock? What do you mean? I don't know what that means. Is that slang and I'm too old? Could be. Very possible. I'm 37 now. Ugh. Gross. Oh, gang up on a stock. Okay. Well, what you looking at? I ain't got really nothing on the radar too interesting so far. Short same time? Okay. Well, you let me know what you want to do, and I'll maybe do it. Currently, nothing too interesting. For me, at least. Oh, look at WLDS go again today. No YOLO. No YOLO. TO, hard to borrow. Yeah. Worth the spy? You think between the two of us we have enough influence on the markets to push that thing down? How many shares could I even take of that? Hold on, let me do some calculations. More shares than I thought I could, honestly. Oh, market popping. Good thing we didn't short it. Point a little bump here. Maybe if it hit 58. That would be a point move. And through the highs. Previous high 57.75, which is kind of right where it is. So we'll see if it can push through there. I have not. UCT popping. Where'd that thing go? Coin could not get through the highs there. Stalled out, started pulling back a bit. Come on, I don't just want one this morning. Give me at least two going into the long weekend. No trading Monday. It's a holiday. Hello, FOMO. Hello, hello. Saw you got MRVL as well. We didn't care about no earnings. Earnings who? Earnings what? Glad we're out, though. Now we wait. Sit and wait. Hopefully something pops up in the next 40 minutes or so. Or pops down. Either way. Don't really care. I prefer up, though. UPST pulling back a bit here. Not sure where I would need it for a potential long right now. Pulled back about 70 cents. Probably need more than that. Market looking like it wants to push even higher. Coming up towards the highs again. Coin also being silly, shooting right back up. Still kind of watching coin out of the side eye. I want to see it blast off through the highs though on coin. We need a blast off through the highs and up through 58 nicely on coin for me to be ready to rock. Can it move through the highs? It's pushing them. Previous high of 75. It's right there. Is it going to get rejected? So far, yes. So many spam phone calls these days. It's ridiculous. AI, no shares today. That's right. Real traders don't teach or sell courses. Yeah. I think if you had a big enough following, even if you were doing very well as a trader, it would be worth it. Because it's basically free, stable income, and then makes trading even that much easier. The problem is there's so much crap out there that I just want to make money trading. One day make enough that I can quit my job. That's a long ways away. Really, this is the retirement hopeful plan for me, trading. But who knows what trading is going to be like by the time I retire. I mean, things have changed so much in the 6-7 years since I started trading. Who knows what it's going to be like? Depending on who's in office and everything, taxes could be so ridiculous that ain't nobody want to do it anyway. What coin are you going to do it this time? Look at this thing just chilling. Is it going to get through the highs this time? I see your retracted messages. Elf. I almost got in Elf yesterday a couple times. It's down 1% today now. APPS. Oh, daily's horrible. Lost 50% yesterday. Holy smokes. You're not allowed to retract that message. That one has to stay in YouTube forever. It'd be cool. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. It'd be cool if I had the ability to unretract messages. I don't think YouTube gives us that ability. MRTX is just grinding today. Very low volume. There it is, even bigger. That's the addedly, I know. Bigger, stronger. UBTS. See what their shares look like here. UBTS. I think we got plenty if it hit 145, possibly. Could give it a go. But need that to kind of get up and go, not wait and go. Zila moving again today. Not really interested there. APLD. There's UPST dumping further. Where would I need this? Under 23.50 nicely, quickly. Hot back before was about 30 cents. Low of the day is 23.50, so it definitely needed through the lows. Is that where it opened? Yeah, basically opened, came down slightly, and then popped up from there. So that's basically right where it opened today. Yeah, unfortunately, I think today is just gonna, unless some kind of news comes out, it's probably gonna slow down into a grinding halt as we head towards the holiday weekend. Unless some debt ceiling news comes out or something along those lines. QBTS basically doing nothing. What did Marble end up doing? Yeah, it's still going slightly higher there. What? You didn't say anything over there, did you? Hold on. Live. No. Actually, last time I said hi, he said something like I had you hyped up in my mind when I shouldn't have or something. This is pretty funny. Hey, Diego. How are you, buddy? Are you still off on an adventure somewhere? Argentina, nice. Is it okay? So they're, I don't know. Are they? I don't really know how it works. What season is it in Argentina? I know. I think Australia is opposite of us, but I don't know if that's because they're south of the equator and that's how it works. Making myself sound real stupid right now, but AZUL kind of popping a little bit. Dun, dun, dun. Winter is starting. Okay, so I guess it is the equator. Oh, there goes coin through the highs. Jump over there, see if it makes a nice move. Where would I need it? I don't know. 58.40, but that's probably asking too much. Probably seems like it's asking too much for 58.40, but I don't think I really want it before there. See what it does here if it can pop 58. Market making another new high. Maybe there is some signs of life in the debt negotiations. Side note, I looked at mortgage rates yesterday and they are at 7.6%. That is insane. That is so much interest you're paying. Aw, failed to get through 58 there. Still got it up on my side screen. Just in case it starts to move again. Well, there it is, actually moving up through 58. We need much, much more than that. It's actually stalling immediately through 58, which is not a good sign for it going higher. At least immediately. Certainly not enough to jump in at this point. Where's the speed? What time is it? 10:20. Got about 20, 25 minutes, something like that. Boom, 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 boom. Here's the reject off the failure to push through 58 in coin. Well, at least I can read level 2 and time and sales a little bit. A little bit. Come on, set the move. Hello? Someone turn this thing back on, please. I have limited availability of time. PPS still grinding. I went to the gym this morning, Vincenzo. Did shoulders and biceps. I don't know how well you can see these puppies. MVIS. Let me take a look. Oh yeah, maybe. Let me check the shares. $135K. Yes. Let's see if we get up through. Oh, it did get through 420 there. So fast though. See if we can make another move up through the highs here. Good eye, good eye. That move was so fast, it wouldn't have been able to get it anyway, unless I had an order sitting there. Come on, keep going. Make another move. Going up through the highs now. Still keeping my eye on it, but now it's got to move even higher for me to consider it after it went through the pullback. Market's still grinding higher, just pushing to new highs there in the market on the SPY and the Qs. David says KODK. I would prefer MVIS to move. Am I going to short Marvel again? No sign. No plans of doing it currently. It's just grinding. If it makes another move like that, sure. Yeah, it would have been nice if it gave us. It was like literally a split-second flash move it made up there. Unfortunately. Coin trying again, maybe? But where would I need it now? This is tougher. Let me look at the chart here. 58.80 maybe? 58.80 if it got all the way up there quickly. There's through 50. Coin just can't seem to quite do enough for me today. One of my go-tos in coin, but today just can't give me quite enough. Yeah, Marvel definitely looks strong. It is on earnings, so had some good news for them today. EHG is moving, not really interested in there at all. The daily is insane over the last 5 days. AFRM actually making a nice little move here. Range isn't good enough currently for me, but my eye on it just in case it starts to really go. APLD, what are you doing? Check shares, APLD. 1.1 million, that's plenty. 935 maybe? Got up to 1050 yesterday. You got PDD up? Let me put it up on my other chart real quick. Yeah, I'm assuming PDD is also earnings today based on their pre-market move. Haven't actually seen PDD do anything in quite some time. VSTM, says David. It's a decent little chart there, but it is one of the penny stocks. Plenty of shares there, though, so where would I want it? 0.65? 0.65 maybe, if it somehow made that move. Probably asking too much. I've got APLD up on my side chart as well. Market making another new high. She rolling. Yep, PDD made a big move today. The STM, can you get up to 0.65 somehow here? 4 cents doesn't seem like much, but for this stock, it is a lot. Go ahead and put 500 shares out here at 0.65 in case it gets up there real quick and touches it. It starts to stall. I will cancel them. Or if it pulls back. At the 0.63 there. I just hate these because you got to spend so much on commissions and shares to get such a small move to make any amount of money. All right, it's pulled back, so I'm going to cancel that out for now. Well, at least I put another order out for a second. That's improvement. I got about 15 minutes left before I got to go to the dentist. I'm going to sit like this at the dentist office. Just be like, how you doing, doc? EPLD retrying. Let's see what it does anything here. Need 45 at least at this point. Oh my gosh. Scared me. The Len boy. Thanks for the sub. Appreciate you. Forgot I had alerts. Scared the crap out of me. QBTS. Grinding. Peru. Not a whole lot going on. Wish I would have shorted ELEV in pre-market. $10 until I gotta go, everybody. 10 minutes. Do appreciate you all stopping by, saying hello with the unannounced live stream today. Didn't really think about doing it until this morning when I was trying to figure out my timing of everything. UPST making a little push here. Probably need 25.20. Shares there are fine. 800K. All right, see if it can push here through 25 and get me up to that 25.20 mark. Probably asking a little bit too much from it at this point, but with only 10 minutes to go, got to make sure it's a very good op. I would hate to have to cover something for a loss just because I have to go get my teeth clean. And we push through 25. Here comes 25. Is it going to get through? 25.01. Okay. Keep pushing. Keep going. Keep going. Up through 25.20. Keep going. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Put your back into it. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. I see a seller wall here at 20. See if it gets through. Give it a second here. See what it does. All right. I'm going to jump in here. 25.20. Only 100 shares. Want to take this one light. I'd like to see it back down under 25. Come on back down here, UPST. Get under 25. I'll probably just be happy to take it and call it a day. Ooh, got the 25.01 there. A little bouncy bounce. ELEV side eye. Put it up on my other chart. That one was way down from the high, though, wasn't it? Yeah, it's starting to bounce back a bit. All right, I'm just going to take half here. See if the other half can get under 25. It's almost time for me to go. And just going to see if I can take my final shares here and call it a day. All right. Small trade to add to the day here right at the end of the stream. Can't complain about it. Would have definitely wanted to hold this one a bit longer had I had more time. But since I am literally about to walk out the door, just going to take an extra 20 bucks on the day and be happy with that. You're in PDD. Take a look at PDD. Oh, PDD actually made a nice little move there. Won't say where because you're undercover. Okay. Good luck. I assume short, but you could have maybe gone long over the break of the new highs. I don't know. I don't exactly know how you trade, so. Looks like the room got duo. Missed that while I was in UPSD. Oh yeah, that is a nice move there. Definitely a miss there in duo. The less you reveal, the better you fear. Yeah, that's probably true. I can't argue with that statement. Can't argue with that at all. All right, just a couple minutes until I go. I'm not planning on taking any more trades. I'm just going to kind of sit here for the last minute or so. Once again, appreciate everybody that stopped by. We got John, Adderley, FOMO, Diego, Vincenzo. Appreciate all you. And then the Len, the new subscriber. The Len boy, appreciate you as well. At least got some trades in today, going into the long holiday weekend. And I'll be back with you guys on Tuesday for back to normal. Don't know if I'll really be doing anything live next week, because I wasn't even planning on being live today, so. But if you are watching this video after it comes out, and you're interested in finding all of these great setups that I take every day, and you see it flashing up on the screen here, make sure you check the link down in the description below for the Intensity Stockwatch Scanner. In my opinion, nothing even close to providing high probability opportunities out there on the market. Use code GDTISW and that link, and you will get 20 to 30% off your subscription every single month. There you go. Those who are in the room just saw me record a live ad for those who watch it later. Hope it was worth your time. All right. Good luck with PDD, Adderley. Appreciate y'all being here. I'm going to let it run for another minute or two on the way out, and I will catch y'all on the flip side. Have a great long Memorial Day weekend.